back to my kitchen. Guys, we are doing my very first over requested since last summer, and just on the video I did the other day with the how to make salmon cakes. So I said, can you please do a seafood boil?
Yay!
And I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God. I forgot which one I wanted to say. But I was like, I was planning for one for this week because it was just like overdue, and I just never ever got around to it. But it is now, and I'm going to show you guys how we cook it here in the house, and then I'm going to show you guys how we eat it here in the house. Me. Okay? So, let's get started. I have some red potatoes. Everything has already been washed, you guys, and rinsed and all that good stuff. Red potatoes cut in half. I have 1.5 pounds of shrimp. I have 1 lobster tail just for me only. I had some fresh corn, some andouille sausages, smoked and Johnsonville andouille sausages. I have right here you imagine this is 3 pounds at my local store, $36. Oh my God. Okay, anyway, 3 pounds of Dungeness crab legs here. I have my old trusted pot right here that I will be using. I already have it half filled with water. And with that being said, I'm going in with my chicken broth, 2 cans. Huh?
The beer.
Oh yeah, I forgot my beer. And I got my Budweiser. We're going to get that. 2 cans of chicken broth. And we're going to pause it because Brandon's going to run and get my beer. Okay. We're back. I got my it's cold enough for me to drink right now. Got me some Budweiser here. I got my stove on a medium high heat, you guys. This is I don't know how many ounces this is, but I'm gonna use half.
Yeah, I drink the rest of it.
I just ain't want to buy a 6-pack. So I'm gonna use half of this beer. Okay. Now I have this right here. The crawfish and shrimp crab ball seasoning. I'm gonna put this in there. Can't have a crab ball without that, honey. Now, this helps with more flavor, because once everything get done, you're gonna have like a broth, and you want to be able to just pull the broth all over the top of everything, and just help give everything flavor. I also have my fresh garlic going in there. That's two garlics, 2 big cloves. I just cut them in half and stick the whole thing in there. I have 2 lemons. Just throw them in there.
It's like a diversity pool party.
Diversity pool party. It's all gonna just get cooked up together. It's a small batch I'm making, but it is just enough. I got my Creole seasoning. I'm gonna say about maybe 1 tablespoon. I don't have my tablespoon out, guys, and I'm sorry. About 1 tablespoon. I got my Old Bay season. Just help with that color. That's about 1 tablespoon. Just gonna have some good old broth here, guys. And okay, I said my Old Bay season. Ain't just paprika. This paprika, guys. A tablespoon of that. Now here comes my Old Bay seasoning. Ooh, that was a wild one. A little bit of that. Yes. And what I'm putting in here first, I'm gonna put my corn in before my boil even start. Jeez, I don't need my vegetables.
What's wrong with you tonight?
I'm going in with my it's after 9 o'clock. That's what's wrong with me tonight. I'm going in with my potatoes, and I'm gonna let them go ahead and boil. I'm going in with my potatoes and corn first, because they take the longest to boil. I know somebody said, why you ain't let it come to a complete boil before you add your potatoes and corn? Just because if you add the potatoes at the beginning, instead of when it's all raging, boiling and everything, they'll cook thoroughly all the way through and evenly.
Go ahead, Mom. You better know your stuff.
So, without that being said, guys, all my seasons are in there. You know, the crabs and the lobsters and stuff, they'll go in once all this get nice and tender. I'll take a fork and maybe next 45 minutes to an hour. See if the what's the things called? Potatoes. I'll fork tender. Then I'll go in with my sausages. Brandon, if you say something, I will surely hurt you.
Sausages.
But even though I'm gonna let this cook about 45 minutes to an hour, at the 30-minute mark, I'm gonna throw in my andouille sausages. I'm throwing in the meat. Brandon, stop. I'm gonna get together one day, you guys. So when I come back at about 45 minutes to check the potatoes with you guys, you're going to see the meat, the sausages already in there, because I'm going to put these in at the 30-minute mark. And then after that, you know that the shrimps and the crab meat, these crab legs and this lobster tail don't need no more than 10 to 12 minutes. And then at the last 3-minute mark, I'll throw in my shrimps. And once they get orange, we're going to be ready to go. Yes, we'll be right back. I was going to say something I forgot. Okay. Okay, we're back. Okay, guys. Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I already put my sausages in here and everything like I told you. I told you at the, don't put my thing down here, guys. I told you after 30-minute mark, I was going to put the sausages in. That's what I did when the potatoes was nice and done. And I actually took this out. This is a little seafood bowl bag, because this is kind of, you know, make the kind of spicy, make it spicy. And I ain't into many spices. I ain't into no type of spices. So.
Not even hot sauce?
I ate a little bit of hot sauce because of my dipping sauce that I'm about to move. Yeah. So guys, look. The corn is really done. The potatoes, look at that.
You can squeeze through it.
Yes, you can squeeze through it. So, what do you do? Go in with your crab legs. And these take about 10 to 12 minutes, guys. Not that long. Not that long. Well, I'm going to get me a big, deep crab pot. You know? A big, deep crab pot.
It's going to overfill?
You know? If worse comes to worse, I just pull out a little bit of the juices. I want to get it down in there.
Stay down there. Crusty crab.
No fight, no fight.
Crusty
crab. You want to make sure you submerge it. So what I might end up doing, what I am going to do, since my corn and potatoes are done.
Yeah, make it go down some.
Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit. I'm going to take some of these corns.
Hot water.
I'm a lemon.
Poor crabs. Why must you taste so good?
Wow, must. Yeah. Tastes so good. Take another one out. Yeah, see? I'm gonna give me a crab. We back each other.
We'll be back.
No, I'm good.
No, I'm not.
And that's going in there too. My one lobster tail. That's for me. I'm sorry, Brandon. You know Brandon don't like it.
We both got burned. It's all good.
Yeah. So, guys, I'm gonna put the top on here. Let this cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Come back on the shrimps at the last minute. You know, shrimps don't take long, about 2 to 3 minutes when they get orange, and we finish. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Look at that. It's been like, what? I said it's been like 11 minutes. It's been about 9 minutes.
No. Hey.
I'm sorry, Brandon. Brandon was like, okay, man.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put a little bit because I have to have my old bag. Just a little bit on there. Just a tiny bit on top of mine. It's up to you with your taste and everything. You know what I'm talking about. So, I'm gonna move it around. I'm not gonna get you brown. Yeah.
Crab feast, seafood feast.
They turning orange already. Watch the magic of editing. Get your butt down in there, boo. Mama gonna eat you tonight. 4 minutes, we gonna be over. How many clips is this? This is gonna be the fourth and final clip coming up. My son can't stand all the clips, but this will be the fourth and final one. All together, it took maybe an hour and 30 minutes to cook this small bowl, and it was worth it. It really was worth it. I'm hungry. Yeah, we gonna get that. We'll be right back. All right. Oh, look at that.
Ain't that was fast.
Yes. Shrimp. Oh, shoot. Shrimps don't take long to cook. They don't take long to cook at all, boo. Okay. So, this is ready.
Yeah. No.
I know, Brandon. Brandon like, Mom, look at that bad buddy. Look at that bad buddy. Yeah. You know, of course, I gotta do two because I'm making a batch for me, a batch for the kids.
Thumbnail.
Huh?
And it's gonna be the thumbnail?
Yeah, you
You're taking
already
it out though, ain't you?
Yeah, but you already did the thumbnail, ain't you?
Oh, no.
Let me get this back up in there. I got to do the thumbnail.
Okay. Bam!
Alright, now we're taking this out. Look at that. How many of these you guys think I should get?
3.
I need to get my little net thing. Oh.
No, Mom. Where's it at?
I do this behind, yes I did. The little thing that scoop out the wire one. Brad said, no, Mom, don't say we coming back. I want to go to sleep.
Yeah, me too.
He got stuff on you. Move the camera everywhere.
God damn it.
I rinsed it off. Sorry about the camera move.
They could blurt that cuss word out, right?
Yeah. Because he said, God damn it. I'm getting a lot of shrimps on mine just because I love shrimps, you guys.
Me too.
I'm gonna put a couple pieces of corn in here. Yeah, daggone well.
You don't like corn dip?
I ain't got no teeth.
Oh my God, Mom. Seriously.
So what corn am I doing? No. A little bit. I say, wasn't this better, guys?
Yep, way better.
Let me switch it over. This one is mine.
Andrew sleep?
Yeah, I'm going by myself. I need to talk on my own.
Drink the rest of that beer and talk.
I don't want no beer.
I will drink, but I don't want to wake up no hangover tomorrow morning.
My kids got one, I got one. It's more than...
I want crab again.
Well, yeah, we cooked this. Who's we? I cooked this.
I recorded.
Yeah, you recorded. I like shrimps. And so look at the garlic going in. I'm in the garlic up in here.
Smell delicious.
And then I have my little cup right here that I had waiting. That raw. Not a whole lot, but there's some juices, guys.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's my seafood bowl. I hope you guys like what you saw. Are you ready for me to eat this? One for the kids, one for me. And they're going to get the rest of mine too. There's no way I'm going to do all this. I'm just not. But I'm gonna make it look good, right? Like I'm going to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
What?
I like if I turn to a Super Saiyan because all the smoke coming to your
All
face.
the smoke coming out. Real life action. Ha! Look at that, you guys. I did it. Until next time, I am out. Hope you enjoyed my channel. Hope you share my channel. And come check me out on Roku, guys. I'm there and I'm here. Until next time. My salmon croquettes, my salmon patties. Guys, you can do what we doing. We're having grits with ours. You can have grits, you can have rice, whatever combination you feel comfortable with to eat these with.